Today we are going to look at one of the biggest things beginners struggle with in English: numbers, colors, and the everyday objects you see around you every single day. By the end of this video, you will be able to count confidently, name colors like a pro, and point to objects in English without hesitation. And trust me, these three skills will unlock so much more English for you. So, stick around and let's dive in. Let's start with numbers. Numbers are everywhere, right? Your house number, your age, prices at the market. You need these. Let me break this down super simply. We are going to learn numbers 1 to 10, and I promise you, by the end, you will nail them. Now, number 1. Number 1. Number 2. 2. Number 3. 3. Number 4. 4. Number 5. 5. Great. Now the next 5, watch carefully because after 5 the pattern changes slightly. Number 6. 6. Number 7. 7. This one has 7 letters. Cool, right? Number 8. 8. Watch out. This spelling is tricky. Number 9. 9. Number 10. Perfect. Now, here's the important part. Let's practice these as a group. I'll say the number and you say it back out loud. Come on, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How did that feel? Awesome. You just counted to 10 in English. This is the foundation for everything else. Okay, now let's talk colors. Colors are everywhere. Your clothes, the objects around your home, the flowers in garden, near your city, the sky, everything. Knowing colors helps you describe things, shop, and have real conversations. So let's learn the 7 most important colors. Red. Think of red chilies, red tomatoes. You see red everywhere, right? Yellow. The sun is yellow. Bananas are yellow. Yellow. Blue. The sky in Delhi, when it's clear, it's beautiful and blue. Green. Green. All the plants, all the leaves around us are green. Orange. Orange. Oranges at the market. This is orange and it's also a fruit. Orange. Purple. Purple. Purple might be the least common in nature, but think of purple flowers, purple cloth. Purple. Purple. Black. Black. Your phone, your shoes, probably your hair. It's black. Black. Alright, now let's do the same thing we did with numbers. I'll say the color and you say it back loud and clear. Red. Yellow. Blue. Green. Orange. Purple. Black. Perfect. Now here is a pro tip. Combining numbers and colors, try this with me. 1. Red apple. 2. Yellow bananas. 3. Green leaves. See, you are already making sentences. Amazing work. Now, for the final piece, everyday objects. Every single day in your home, in the market, at school. Once you know these words, you can describe and ask for things in English. Let me show you 10 basic objects that will change your English skills. Apple. Apple. A healthy fruit. Apple. Book. Book. You read a book. I'm holding a book right now. Book. Car. Car. In the street, on the road. Car. Door. Door. You enter through a door. Every room has a door. Egg. Breakfast ingredient. You can cook an egg. Egg. Fan. In Delhi, we use fans all the time. Fan. Glass. Glass. You drink water from a glass. Glass. House. House. Where you live. Your home. Your house. Your house. House. Umbrella. Umbrella. When it rains, you use an umbrella. Umbrella. Watch. Watch. To tell time, this is a watch. Watch. Let's practice these together. Apple. Book. Car. Door. Egg. Fan. Glass. House. Umbrella. Watch. Now let's combine everything we learned today. This is your confidence boost moment. 1. Red apple. 2. Green books. 3. Yellow fans. Look at you. You are describing things in English like a pro. See, you already have the foundation. Numbers, colors, and objects. These are the building blocks of English conversations. That's it for today. You have just learned 10 numbers, 7 colors, and 10 everyday objects. That's 27 new English words. Congratulations. We'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and your English will shine. Bye bye.